In this video, I'm going to show us all how to add the wall thickness to our perimeter of our room. And then I'm also going to show us how to push-pull that wall up 8 feet. To do this, though, again, getting started in this video, the first thing I'm going to talk about is just the idea of our last thing we did in our last video, and that's pulling dimensions. One of my most common questions is, Layman, does this look right? And honestly, guys and gals, it's using the dimension tool to select that point to that point or that edge in that surface and just find out, is it the same data that we typed in that we thought we were making? A lot of times this can be relative, meaning if we scroll out, it may look small, but it's not really that small. It's 66 feet 8 inches. All right. At the same time, if we zoom in, it may look really big, all right, which this room kind of is. At the same time, we don't really ever know until we pull the dimensions and look at them. All right. Once again, the dimensioning tool is underneath the tape measure tool. Now, to get started in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going in and using a tool that we haven't used recently, and that's called the offset tool. All right. The offset tool is found underneath the push-pull. It's the third tool on that tool set. If we select it, how it works is it works by selecting surfaces. When I click, I'm going to want to click and move out. And I just clicked and didn't move there, so I'm going to edit undo. When I click, I want to click and drag, and I'll go outside of my room. And then release. After I release, I just want to type in 6, and then enter. All right? And that should make us have a 6-inch edge. And right now mine's not working. Edit undo. 6, enter. Now we did. All right. I'm not sure what I did there as far as a mistake for that. At the same time, selecting the piece, clicking and dragging out till we get outside, and then entering 6. And the important part now is what that's done. It's give us a 6-inch border all the way around that represents our 6-inch exterior wall. All right. If you weren't successful, try it again. Edit undo. At the same time, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to flip to the ISO view, which is the lower right-hand corner in my scenes. And what I'm going to do from there is go to the push-pull tool, which once again is the letter P, or the top of that last tool set we just used. And then from there, I'm going to select not the interior surface, escape to deselect that, but the outside surface. And every once in a while, it helps us zoom in. Click on this surface, slide up, click, and then type in 8 feet. 8 feet, enter. Now, we have an 8-foot wall on the outside, and how we know that is how we started the video. Going to our dimension tool, going to my near corner here, escape, I misclicked, should have been the dimension tool. And then we should have had an endpoint to endpoint click on that to find out and make sure that we are at 8 feet. Right? Other than that, we could also check to make sure that we have our 6-inch wall there too. And it looks like both things are showing up correct. All right? If you made any mistakes, try again. At the same time, hope the video helps. Thank you for watching.